Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to change your earpads for the Hifiman round style headphones. This includes models like the Sundara and the HE-400i. The first step is to remove the first earpad. This can be done by unclipping the mount on the headphone. If you push down and out, it'll pop right out of the headphone. And then, the next step is to grab your Dekoni audio earpads inside of your Dekoni audio earpad box. Both earpads are the same on each side, so it does not matter which one you choose. The next step is to try to guide the clips. There are 4 of them on the earpad mount. Guide the clips into the notches on the headphone and try to snap them into place. It won't make a huge sound, but you'll know when it's done when you start pulling away from the earpad. If the earpad does not come loose from the earpad cup, then you should be fine. As of now, I'm adjusting the earpad to be in the right orientation. We can worry about that later and install the next earpad. A good tip is to press down and then push in and then let it free, and it'll hopefully clip in correctly. Don't forget to check that all the clips are in correctly by pulling the ear cup and the earpad away from each other. The next part is to look at the left and right indicators on the headphone. You want the thick part of the earpad at the back of your head and the skinny part at the front of your head. What you do is you can take our stitching seams where we meet the materials together and link them up to match the yoke screw on the front. And there you have it. That's how you change your earpads for Hifiman round style, including Sundara and the HE-400i.